Zombie apocalypse.
Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. This is lesson number 7 of my series on how to create apps. So in this video of the series, I'm going to tell you loops with Laurel. I'll tell you who Laurel is, but first open your home screen, which I'm showing you right now on the screen. And then open Pre-Reader Express 2020. The link will pop up right there on the screen. Okay, so here, this is where we left off in the last video. Then click continue. Don't watch this video. So this is Laurel. Laurel is this silly girl who is standing here with a tiny backpack. She wants to collect all this treasure. So, let's start. First we need to move forward 5 east, and there is a new get block. So the get block is the exact same as the pick block which we saw in Harvester. So that means Laurel will only collect the treasure when you add the get block. So now Laurel will collect this treasure. So now let's repeat. We can only now repeat things from 3 to 10. That's the limit. So I'm just going to remove this block and we have to do this. And then we need to add a get block and repeat for west and get. Then move to south and get and repeat 4 east. 3 east, 4 east. 4 east and get. Then that's all. Then click run and let Laurel collect all the gems. I wonder how Laurel can fit all those gems in her backpack when her backpack is tiny. Okay, so now let's continue. Let's start it all the way from the beginning. So we need to repeat for east and get. So that's how you complete puzzle number 3. Then continue. Oh, so this is just a video. Don't watch it if you don't want. Okay. So, E. How can Laurel get all 5 piles of treasure using only one E block? Okay. So we need to repeat 5 and get. Then continue. Now for everyone, this code will already be here, this gray code and the repeat block. So this gray code, you can't throw it in the dustbin. You can't get rid of it no matter what. Just want to pop that back. Let's see what happens when this code is run over here, which was automatically put. So here there's one mistake. 4 south get and then east get. Now click run and let Laurel get all of the treasure. And done. Add the code from the last position. Get all of the treasure. So this code will already be here for you. So let's see what comes and this kind of code is run. So here take, so is where the mistake comes. Each come here. And you also need to repeat this 3 times. This. So that's how you complete puzzle number 7. Wait. Oh yeah, I just automatically unjoined. I don't know what happened there. This code just automatically. Perfect. Now, here we need to repeat 4 east and get, and then we need to repeat south 3 times with get. Now west 5 times with get. West 5 times get. That's how you complete this puzzle. Actually, not 5, 6. Not 6, 5. That's how you complete puzzle number 8. Okay, now east 4 times get. Get north 3 times and get, and repeat west 3 get. And then move south and get. So this is the code that will complete number 9. Now continue. Now this is one of those challenge puzzles. So let's do it. Need to first move 3 south and get. Repeat 3 south get. Then repeat east 2. East 2 and get. Then repeat the 3 south and get along with. And repeat east 2 times with get. East 2 times with get. That's how you complete puzzle number 10. You can also count and put the steps. So we completed the challenge. So now we need to move west 3 times. Along with get. Then repeat south 5 times with get. Then repeat west 2 times and get. Then click run. Continue. You get all the treasure from this cave. So repeat 3 east with get. Now repeat south 4 get. And then repeat west 4 with get. And that's how you complete puzzle number 12. Okay, now let's do 13. Oh, these are a lot of gems. So now let's move west 6 times with get. And then south get. Repeat east 5 times with get. Then south again, get. Repeat west 5 times along with get. Move south and get. Repeat east 5 times and get. Move south, get. Repeat west 5 times along with get. So that's all the code you need to finish this 13 puzzle. Then click run and wait till Laurel fetches all the treasure very quickly. Okay, with that tiny red bag. Silly girl. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I told you loops with Laurel the collector silly girl. So before you leave this video, don't forget to like my video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any suggestions for me, be free to leave them in the comment section below. Bye.